This is a 500-year-old blacksmith in Uhingen, Germany. They even built a statue out front for him. Check it out, man. Alte Schmiede. Means old blacksmith. There's a 1871 plate, but it's way older than that. Check out the door, man. They wore down. How many people walked over this? How many people stepped over this? It's fucking amazing, man. It's just absolutely amazing. And it's still the same as 500 years ago. You can see everything still there. The ambus. It's all there. Just like it was 500 years ago. They're still using this place. It's absolutely amazing stuff. Check it out. It's absolutely beautiful place. All these utensils are still there. But they still use this place. They fire it up every now and then to show people how it's done. Every now and then they show people. You can see all the utensils that you need. This is the fire pit on the left side. They have everything they need. And right next door they have this, the Bertholdshof. 1477.